Hello everyone, welcome to O-Level Economics 2281 Crash Course. I'm Mohammad Fareed and today's topic is factors of production resources. Factors of production resources. Factors of production are resources of land, labor, capital and enterprise used to produce goods and services. All the businesses needs these four factors of production. Without them, they cannot produce any goods and services. And one more thing you need to remember that all these four factors of production are necessary. The four factors of production are land, labor, capital, and enterprise. The first factor of production is land, and it includes all things supplied by nature and used in the production of goods and services. For example, farmland, forests, rivers, lakes, seas, or minerals. Second factor of production is labor, all human efforts which goes into the production of goods and services. Third factor of production is capital, anything made by man and used to produce goods and services. Capital can be in the form of fixed, like stock of fixed assets, for example, buildings, factories, warehouses, vehicles, social, owned by the community in general, for example, road, water, sewerage, and working man-made raw materials and partially finished goods. Fourth factor of production is enterprise, and it includes the initiative involved in organizing land, labor, and capital, and which bears the risk involved in business. Remember that factors of production are all those things which are needed to produce and provide goods and services. The production of every good and service requires a certain combination of each factor of production. Goods and services produce supply to satisfy what people want. It's actually demand. And the interaction of demand and supply determines the price people pay. It's the equilibrium price or the market price. Now let us look at the economic fields. The study of economics can be broadly divided into microeconomics and macroeconomics. Micro means small and macro means large. Microeconomics is all about firms and individuals. It is the study of the behavior and decisions of individuals and businesses in markets across the economy. And the key topics which are studied in macroeconomics include demand, supply, price discrimination, elasticity of demand, producer consumer, market equilibrium, and market structure. Microeconomics is basically the overall picture of the economy. It's all about the wider economy. It deals with the structure, behavior, and changes in the wider economy at national, regional, and global level. The key topics included in macroeconomics are GDP, interest rates, unemployment, national income, inflation, exchange rates, fiscal and monetary policy, and so on. It's all for today. Like, share, and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.